Importance of time management. Every day, we all get the same 24 hours. No more, no less. But what we do with those 24 hours, that makes all the difference. Some people use time wisely and move toward success. Others let it slip away. And the key to using time well is time management. Time management means planning your day, knowing what to do, when to do it, and doing it without delay. When you manage time properly, you finish your work on time, you stay relaxed, and you even get time to enjoy. In work life too, time management means meeting deadlines easily, impressing your boss, and feeling in control. And it's not just about work or study, it's about life. Spending time with family, friends, and doing things you love. That's also part of managing time. But without time management, people feel stressed, tired, and confused. They say, "Where did all my time go?" Distractions like phones, TV, and laziness steal your time. You don't even realize it until it's too late. But with small habits, like waking up early, making a timetable, and avoiding distractions, you can take control of your day. It builds discipline, makes your brain sharp, and helps you make better decisions. Ask any successful person. Their secret is a simple one. They respect time. Time management is not about doing everything. It's about doing the important things first. If your exams are near, studying comes before scrolling. It's that simple. Remember, time, once gone, never comes back, so use it carefully. Start by planning your day the night before. Make a list, set reminders, take short breaks. Taking breaks is also part of time management. Your mind needs rest to stay sharp. Sleep well. Eat well. Take care of your body and your brain. That's how you stay strong and focused. And if you have a big dream, time management will help you get there, step by step, day by day. Start small. Don't try to be perfect. Just make progress every day. And don't forget to celebrate small wins. Learn to say no to time wasters. Your time is precious. Use it for what truly matters. Time is not just money, time is life. And managing time means managing your life. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you lose it, you can never get it back. So start managing your time today. Plan smart. Work smart. Live smart. Your future self will thank you. Because when you manage time, you manage everything.